Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove or hide this search bar on your Windows 11 PC taskbar here. So as you can see here, I have the full search bar here that I can simple click in and I can search for whatever I want. But in case you don't want that and you want to make more space on your taskbar, it's very easy to remove or make it even smaller. So all you have to do is just right click anywhere in your taskbar and simple click on the taskbar settings. This will open up your personalization and taskbar section. And as you can see here, it says taskbar items and it shows you the taskbar, the task view, and even widgets, right? And if you want to remove this, just simply click this drop down box here from the right hand side and you have a bunch of options. You have the option here to search icon only, and you can see that it changes to a very small icon. So if you want only that, then perfect, you can just leave it as that. Or if you want to entirely remove it, you can just simply click and hide, and as you can see, it disappears. So that's it guys, that's how you can easily go ahead and remove the search box on your taskbar on your Windows 11 PC. Here you have it guys, I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.